Sleep is essential, yet so many of us struggle with it. Let's dive into some quick tips to transform your sleep game. First, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps regulate your body's internal clock. Next, create a bedtime ritual. Think reading a book or practicing mindfulness. This signals your brain that it's time to wind down. Consider your sleep environment. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. A comfortable mattress and blackout curtains can work wonders. Limit screen time before bed. Those blue lights trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, try some light stretching or deep breathing exercises to relax. Lastly, be mindful of what you consume. Caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep cycle. Prioritize your sleep like you would a big meeting. It's just as crucial for your productivity and well being. Remember, good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for success.